was pointing downwards. I think, quite possibly, they were spinning too fast. He couldn't get it to go in gear. The slipper clutches were engaged and couldn't get it in gear. I believe that's the issue. They were using his horse collar there to put in front of the injection house to try and kill the air going into the motors to slow them down, is what he was trying to do, I think. If you guys need any help, I got 2 Toonies up here and a set of Ford keys, if that'll do you any good. We need another Toonie though. There's 2 Toonies and 3 motors.